When you are in Seesaw as a teacher, you can see add and assign activity. This video is about creating an activity without a template. Find your pet, make a story. Here are students' instructions. Seesaw provides icon shortcuts. It can be found on Seesaw's site. I will give you the link. Find your pet in your house. Click Add a response. You can easily copy. Take a photo of your pet. You can add voice instructions. Find your pet in your house. Click Add Response. Take a photo of your pet. Tell what is on your pet's mind. What is he thinking about? How he feels. Record your voice, or write about it, or draw your pet, and then click check. You can add an example. You can add a photo of yourself holding the cat, or you can upload a photo of your cat or pet. You can make a video of showing if the task is difficult, what you want your students to do. I found my cat. Kids will understand what you want them to do. Click Save. Here are these beautiful icons.